Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Measure 1 cup quinoa, 1/2 cup peanuts, 1/4 cup roasted chana, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon garam masala before you begin. Rinse quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear, then drain thoroughly to remove any bitterness. Preheat a heavy skillet on medium heat and dry roast the quinoa for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring constantly so the grains turn nutty and slightly golden without burning. Transfer the toasted quinoa to a large bowl and let it cool for about 5 minutes so it becomes crisp. In the same skillet, heat 2 tablespoons oil on medium, fry 1/2 cup peanuts until golden, remove them, and in the residual oil add 1/4 cup curry leaves, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon asafoetida to sizzle briefly. Immediately toss the drained quinoa into the spiced oil, stirring to coat each grain and release aromatic flavors. Stir in the fried peanuts, 1/4 cup roasted chana, and sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Toss thoroughly so spices distribute evenly. Taste and adjust seasoning with up to 1/2 teaspoon more salt or a pinch more red chili if you want extra heat. Cool the mixture completely for about 20 minutes so residual moisture evaporates. Then transfer to an airtight jar and store at room temperature for up to 2 weeks to maintain crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.